Vishak Refinery Modernization Project (VRMP) is one of the major expansion cum modernization project undertaken by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited at its East Coast Refinery at Visakhapatnam, the city of destiny in Andhra Pradesh. Starting from 0.675 million metric tons per annum refinery in 1957, Vishak Refinery has witnessed a long journey of expansion and revamps. Major features of VRMP are production of BS6 standard fuels, increasing refining capacity from 8.33 million metric tons per annum to 15 million metric tons per annum, improving the distillate yield from 76% to 86%, increase in complexity index by 55%, and energy intensity improvement by 22%. VRMP has more than 39,000 number pile foundations, which if dug at a single place would touch the lower mantle level of earth. About 4 lakh cubic meter of concreting, which is more than the concrete used in Burj Khalifa. About 92,000 metric tons of structural steel, which is more than 12 times the steel used in Eiffel Tower. About 15,000 kilometers of electrical and instrumentation cabling, which is more than the Earth's diameter. 115 lakh inch meter piping was carried out. BS6 fuels rolled out as per Government of India guidelines by revamping MS block and DHT units. The 9 million metric tons per annum crude distillation unit is one of the most energy efficient crude distillation units and is designed to process more acidic crudes. The full conversion hydrocracker unit is India's largest VGO hydrocracker unit with 99.5% conversion rate. Hydrogen generation unit, 2 trains each of 113 kilotons per annum, is India's highest capacity per train and second largest in Asia. Sulfur recovery unit is with 2 trains each of 360 tons per day capacity and sulfur recovery rate is 99.9%. With oxygen enhancement technology, capacity of each train can be enhanced to 450 tons per day. VRMP also has a captive power plant of 75 megawatt capacity with heat recovery steam generator and a 353 kilotons per annum of naphtha isomerization unit to improve the octane number. VRMP has a dedicated 220 kV grid power supply with an overhead section of 12 kilometers and underground section of around 10 kilometers. Also, VRMP has a solar power facility of 1.1 megawatt. It has a stage flare with 4 stacks integrated with the existing refinery. Seawater cooling tower is India's largest FRP and counterflow type. VRMP also has bearing cooling water towers, plant air, instrument air, cryogenic nitrogen plant, integrated effluent treatment plant, tankages along with associated facilities. HPCL is pioneer in building the first of its kind bottom upgradation technology in India, that is residue upgradation facility. This facility converts 93% of its feedstock into lighter products. VRMP project has implemented various innovative approaches like modular pipe racks, precast building and portals, bolted structures to improve quality, safety, constructability and timelines. Extensive usage of 3D modeling was carried out for advanced checklisting and improved operability. As part of Atmanirbhar Bharat, major equipments were manufactured in India. This includes 5 reactors for RUF unit, one of which is the world's heaviest LC Max reactor weighing in excess of 2,200 metric tons. one of the longest crude column of 75.5 meters length, one of the widest vacuum column of maximum diameter 12 meters, and India's heaviest FCHCU reactor weighing in excess of 1800 metric tons. These were manufactured in the west coast of India, transported to the east coast via the sea route, and erected using some of the largest cranes in the world. The project has entirely changed the skyline of HPCL Vishak refinery. As part of VRMP, Green Belt is developed in more than 70 acres land in and around the refinery. Also, HPCL is reaching out to the society through various enterprise social responsibility schemes, thereby touching lives and delivering happiness. Vishak Refinery Modernization Project enhances the availability of products and adds to the energy security of the region.